I know. I treat you like shit. You didn't deserve it. But you started it when I got her. You started acting up. But I forgive you. What up, everybody? Welcome to the 22 cruise. I miss you guys. It's been so long. But if you live in the Northeast, well, shit, if you live anywhere, you know how cold it's been, so we haven't done anything. Vet's still alive and kicking. Do a video about that soon. But today's video, well, it's all about her. So, guys, it's finally begun to start to rebuild the Cobalt. Oh, there they are. So, small update. We'll give you a rundown of what the Cobalt has and what it does. I'm sure it smells like shit. No, doesn't smell. I miss this thing. So, it's been down. I think it's a bearing. So, a small update is that I have ordered the brand new engine instead of trying to troubleshoot the one I have. File cover in the back. We're gonna pop the hood and take a look so I can explain to you guys what's going on with the bolt in this. It's probably been sitting here for about a year and a half. So that means I've been dealing in the Corvette for a year and a half. So those are my shitty attempt to diagnose it. I took out one of the spark plugs, tried to look at it, can't find anything, but it won't spin. The crank won't spin at all. So what the Cobalt does have is it's a ZFR from ZVP. It is a 6258 version, just a bigger guy. I ordered an engine, ordered a new clutch. This bottom end's actually new, the head wasn't. So I think a bearing went bad, man. I didn't clean the head enough when I put the new bottom end in. But the plan is the engine will be here tomorrow, or I guess whenever I upload the video, and you'll get a video of that. I wanted to do it in the driveway, but my buddy Fred, who always helps me with these things, said it's best to push it in the garage. And as you can see from here, from a car that's not moving, pushing it in the garage is gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm gonna push it, kind of turn it that way, I guess. So I need help, a lot of help. Plan is to get started. Okay, yeah, right. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably start removing stuff. Probably do like a time lapse, and I'm just gonna remove stuff like this, like the ECU, and put it in the car. I'm gonna try to hook the harness. I'm gonna go out and buy me a lovely electric impact wrench to speed things along. Disconnect the downpipe. I don't know what we're gonna do. I haven't talked to Fred. I'll probably at some point talk to him, see what he wants to do. I know I'm just gonna disconnect the wiring for now. See if he wants to push it in or use a hoist I got, which I'll put a video and put it together, and do it out here. I don't know how long it's gonna take to lift it out, get in the garage, take all this stuff off, put it on the new one, then put it back. Oh, I need to order a full pipe. Good looking out, guys. All right, that was a short video. That's pretty much it. I think this thing has 400 horsepower. Once I get it back up and running, we'll go together and get it dynoed. It's gonna be the daily, since I have the Vet now. And if you guys want an update video on the Vet, let me know, but that's pretty much it. I'm sure I want to change the brakes and possibly the tires, even though they're fucking new, but it's been sitting here for so long that, you know how these things go. I'm probably gonna upgrade the radio as well, and have my new daily back. I miss the old girl, sunroof and all. It actually doesn't even smell too bad in here. I thought it would smell bad from sitting, but no issues. No issues. So yeah, that's the Cobalt. Yeah, full ball tune, exhaust all the way up. Catless downpipe. Marilyn's been bugging me about emissions, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do with a car that can't move. So, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll have another video up when the engine comes tomorrow. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but look at it. But, you know, we'll put something together. All right, guys. Like I said before, miss you guys. Hopefully got a lot more content. Hopefully the weather decides to warm up, and then we'll take it from there.